Let's go thrifting for 2025 summer trends.
I had a plan before I walked in, and it was all thrown to pieces when I started looking around. The one thing I did stick to was looking for these kind of pinup shorts. These ones are from Reformation, from Devon Lee's collab, and I can look really quickly because I don't want the bottoms to be rolled. I started looking at the skirts, and this is when it hit me that I was about to pee my pants, and I was like, I just got there. I was trying to look so quickly. This thrift was like 30 minutes from my house. I asked the worker nicely if I could use the employee bathroom, and they let me, so we're back out there. I was truly not having luck at this thrift, and I kind of knew by this point I would have to see a second one. They had a lot of cute kids clothes, but nothing that really stood out to me. If you ever buy polka dots new, I don't know what you're doing. They're always at the thrift. This mud bag was unreal, so of course that went in my cart. And this little Ciao Bella bag was so cute as well. I think it's from Italy and just like a little souvenir. I really like it. If it was big, I would have gotten it. Some candy shoes, and let's go through the cart. This Metallica shirt is for my boyfriend, so I'm getting it. I'm getting the mud bag, cover up for my daughter, and a cute hat. This dress was supposed to be like a potential wedding guest dress, but I decided against it. Little scarf for my daughter, another hat, scarf for me. I found so many scarves, and I've been really wanting to accessorize and play with scarves, especially with having a pixie in the summer and just missing out on fun hairstyles. I loved this polka dot one that was so big. I didn't like the fringe, but I figured I could either cut it off or make do with it somehow, and you'll see how I do that later. Another little necktie scarf, like that just adds so much and becomes so chic. When I was looking for the wedding guest dresses, I found this jumpsuit, and I would have loved this in like high school and college, but I didn't love the print, and I swore something bit me, and at this point I thought I had bed bugs or lice, and I was kind of freaking out. Another scarf, I like that it's already a triangle. Another jumpsuit. The jumpsuits were just with the dresses, and I kept picking them up and not realizing they were jumpsuits, but I liked that this was a jumpsuit, but it was a size large, so I thought it would be too big. Thought this jumpsuit was really cute. Again, I initially thought it was a dress, but I was looking for these halter tops, and I was happy to find one. This dress was definitely vintage. It had a paper tag, but wasn't doing anything for me. It had a tie to cinch the waist, and I thought it would be cute with cowboy boots, but I decided to leave it behind. This skirt was so perfect. It was kids' uniform, and I left it behind. On to the next thrift. This brown tank, so plain, was almost $6. And then right next to it was a Ralph Lauren sweater shirt, only $7. Like, who was making the prices?
This is technically a swim top. Ooh. My boobs are sag. It's ugly. It's not doing anything for me. But let me try on. I love the halter top though with short hair. Okay, let's try on these pants. They're good length. I actually think I'd wear these all the time. No, they're too loose. They need to be like tight on the thighs. This outfit's atrocious.
At the last thrift, I had to leave all these items behind because the line was too long and I had to get home, but let's take a minute to talk about our sponsor before we get to the try-on.
Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to take a quick minute to talk about our sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform where you can design your website and make it stand out and succeed online. Whether you're just starting or you already have a business, Squarespace gives you everything you need to claim your domain, show your offerings, grow your brand, and get paid all in one place. I always talk about Squarespace, so you guys know I've been using it since I was literally, I think, 17 years old. When I got to college, I made my own blog, which turned into a portfolio for applying to jobs, which later became a blog again for YouTube, and now it just kind of holds all my written and video content in one place if you guys ever wanted to check it out. I know my brother uses Squarespace for his work to showcase, and my dad uses it also. It's so easy to make your website there. I always recommend it to anybody who doesn't have a website yet or who has one and wants to fix it. I say just restart on Squarespace. I forgot I've used my Squarespace website as an online store when I was selling my straw baby tees, and it's such an easy way to sell your product online or services. Squarespace gives you everything you need to grow your business and get paid with an online store. You can showcase your brand, engage with your customers. There's easy online payments. There's built-in tools for inventory, shipping, and fulfillment. You can simplify your workflow and give customers a seamless shopping experience. Something that always trips me up is shipping costs, so Squarespace has automatic calculated shipping costs, and expanded global shipping options. They use real-time rates from local carriers based on destination, size, and weight of each order. It eliminates manual calculation and avoids overcharging customers for shipping. If you're watching this video and you still don't have a Squarespace website, head to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain with code LaineyOzark. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the rest of the trend.
Here's the first look we have with one of the many scarves I got. That seemed to be my jackpot today with the new thrift, so I think it's cute. I think even wearing this kind of scarf shawl just over a dress would be really cute. I made it super casual here. These like Mary Janes, polka dots, jeans, and then also I think this new mud bag would work really well with this look. Yeah, this mud bag is so stinking cute. I always say that. Here's the first look, and watch how much we can change it with the shoe. Mud bag feels like it would go really well with these shoes because they both kind of have that like grommet detailing. I love the jorts with the slingbacks. I think it's so fun. And I just have like a cute strawberry bra underneath this where it's like you're supposed to see it a little bit. But yeah, for a night out, I think it's super cute. A big, wide, long scarf makes for this like perfect shawl poncho thing. Like a lot of the items I got today, like we gotta style them, so that's what we're doing. This shirt and jean combo is just absolutely goated to me. Should I close this? I think it's so flattering, so cute and effortless. And I've been wanting a little like French scarf to go with it. And I think this one's perfect. It's not too long. I like the like frills in the back. I think it looks so cute with a pixie. And yeah, the jeans are Everlane. The shirt is Fabrique. The shoes are Cezanne. And we've got the new thrifted scarf. I love it. Where I like my big sunnies are in the car. These will look really cute. The lighting gets messed up when I put sunglasses on, so I'm trying not to, but look at this. Next look. I used to have like the perkiest little boobs. Breastfeeding really changed that. I wasn't ready for it. So if I wore this, I would have to tape my boobs, which like kind of defeats the purpose of it. I got it because it looked like something just really easy to throw on. I love that it's pantsuit. It's actually from Urban. They had so much Urban at the first thrift store I went to. And in the kids section, I think I was showing you, there was a lot of Urban in there, like misplaced. I love how comfy this is. I like it with the cowboy boots or with some like Mary Janes basket bag. It's very cutesy. If you guys need boob tape ever, Nude, N-O-O-D, has like the best boob tape. I just don't want to use it right now and like waste it because I'm taking this off. But I love this. It's so light, it's comfy, and fun. And here's my last little look. This scarf is the new piece, and I think it feels so mod and so cutesy and tied like a little headband. But I also think it could look cute around the neck again. I don't know if that works as well. I think I like it better around the head. But this dress is so like 60s. The hem came undone, so I have to redo that. This dress was originally like knee length, and I think it looks so cute, like super mini. That's it for my summer thrift with me. I literally only found scarves. And then at the last store, I did find one of these white shirts I was looking for. I was again about to pee my pants, and the line was disgustingly long with one person working the register, as it normally goes. There was no bathroom at the last store, so I had to leave. But thank you so much for watching this video. Maybe we can do a thrift with me again. I still didn't go to 2 stores by my house, so see you guys in a few days. I love you absolutely most. Bye.